Win it, T.
Oh, he tried.
He had time.
I know. But it's hard to fault somebody for trying to make the right play and just failing.
Yeah. Step up.
Hammer it. That's Gee. There you go. Now we're in trouble. Now this is trouble. Come on now. Thank you for curling that back. That could have been a call. Go, Max! Oh, nice shot. That's it. Give it to the point. It's it, Joey. Nice way to lay off of that hit. If he follows through, that's a penalty.
Yep.
That's it, JP. Oh no. Nice play, Brady! The Cats are playing tougher than they have in a long time.
Get it.
Gotta get that out. Gotta get out. That's fine. Stoppage is fine. Good, tough play. That's not suspicious at all. Guy's stick stuck in the chest. High again, elbow again.
Yeah, call it! Call it!
Why does he keep whining that elbow? What's that?
I would make it my. I'd make it my mission at the end of the game.
And again, these guys follow through high almost every time. I don't know how their coaches don't tell them, guys, that's a penalty. I mean, you want her to play physical, right?
Physical but clean. Keep your mouth shut.
Well, and that's the biggest thing, right? I mean, the refs are going to call what they're going to call.
Set it up!
What do they do on the penalty play?
But see, this is
Set it up.
he got his out, dude.
Make sure.
I know.
Throw it in from blue. There's no one in the
Yeah,
Well,
guys,
especially
come on.
don't shoot it, because then the best thing you're going to do is get the guy to hold it, and then you're to face off when you don't want to face off in that situation as you're.
Keep set.
Well, Mikey was open. Leave it up. We are a scary team sometimes.
two hockey teams.
Yes, we are a tale of two hockey teams.
Push it back.
Now.
Push it back. Push it back.
There you go. There you go. Nice play. And Trevin eraser like
over
this.
Here, over here.
This is fine, and we got the puck.
Set
Get
it
it through
up.
there.
Set it up. Set it up. Right there, Fitzy. Not too deep. No, a little bit.
We're fine. This is fine here.
Win it.
We're winning, so I know we want shots on the power play, but just step to the wrong side and lets him out. Just silly stuff.
Catch it.
Yeah. On a power play. Through center ice. I know. You sure you don't want to be over there?
No, you can't hear me when I'm over there.
I know. And I'll delete your voice from the videotape.
Oh, that? Yeah, you're right. Do that.
We're all doing it, so
On it.
it's not just you that I have to delete that audio for. Now, set it up. That play is fine.
We're stuck.
Anthony's going to get back. Anthony's got the other player. Ooh. How many times when the guy's stick handling for us do we turn it over in a really bad spot?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, all he has to do is either drop that pass or get it deeper.
There's something there. Just dump it in.
Yeah. Especially when you're the big defenseman.
So we get caught way too much.
Deep.
And it's way too casual.
Yeah. It's just.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Say, Mikey!
Good, Trevor.
Look up! Yes, it did. That hurt from up here.
Look.
Yeah, for slamming his stick, he got the.
Come on, wake up.
I mean,
Do it now.
he should have done it already.
Hey, let's skate.
Huh?
Let's skate. Come on.
No, it's in the time. Bad.
What's that?
It's a tough goal to give up.
Yeah, it was, especially since it kind of happened from a bad series of plays.
Get that. 3-2.
Oh no! Nice job, Fitz! Boy, look at this line put pressure on here. This is a great thing. It's amazing what these can do. It's amazing when these kids have good effort and good hustle, what they can do. That's I know. It's great stuff. That backdoor's.
Don't lose it.
Look up!
Woo!
All right, I suppose. Yeah. When's the last time we had a shot on goal? Right, I mean, prior to that last shift, when was the last time we got a goal? But it's been a bit. That's it, Ant.
You got hit in the neck.
Yeah, he did. You gotta win this.
Step up. Stick on the ice.
Hard! Hard! Why not just throw that in front? At least he got it to the point. Chiefs scored again, or Senators scored again. That game's over. Reed! Reed! No, what is it? No, that's, I was going to say the same thing you did. You just beat me to it. How do we not look at all?
Push it up. Push it up. Push it up. Go. Go.
What are we doing? Yeah, it was.
Step up! There you go,
No icing. Come on, win it, Trev. It's off. He's offside. He doesn't get to pull that puck in.
brutal.
That was horrible. There you go. Come on, somebody jump out. Instead of jumping onto the ice first, we let our guy get off first and clear the bench and then walk around before Tice jumps in. No little flips. It was a heck of a hit, though. I mean, you know, I hope he scores and all that. Chasing the one player. Come on, Fitz. Oh, it fits.
Oh, yeah. Give it on.
This line is getting to the net better than I have seen it all season long. What's going on? How'd you guys make out last night?
They won
Good.
in a very, very certain game.
Hey, a win's a win's a win's a win in this type of tournament.
True. Like I said, I hope. I hope they got their bad game out of the system.
Boy, are you kidding me?
I know. Shot, Will! Shot it on Mikey.
That counts as a shot on goal. That's a great save.
Nice save, Mikey. Set it up.
Yeah! Woo! Yes!
Point.
This team beat us 3-0.
Where do you use the point?
The junior Hurricanes off the plate. They have a couple of kids who are pretty good players, but they like the kid who scored 2 goals, the big defenseman scored 2 goals against
Come on now, let's go, boys.
and he's not playing.
Win it, Trev, win it.
We haven't scored a goal in almost 2 years against their first goalie.
Really?
And they beat us 3 times last year, and we haven't scored a goal against their first goalie. We scored everything against this kid.
You know what? Like you just said to me, you know.
It's one game, one time, right? And a win's a win's a win. We did beat them at the end of last year.
I just hope our boys thought it was a real bad game last night. Real bad.
Yes, but 1-0 is 1-0.
Step up, step up.
And for us, 2-0 will be 2-0. We got.
Empty net.
Yes, Anthony! Yes, Anthony! That shot was never getting through, and then it was only bad things. Nice job, Ant!
Eagles.
Yeah, it's that Eagles team.
Penalty.
Yes.
Is he
Yeah.
still in the box?
No, didn't he? He scored the first one. Oh, Doherty just scored. Oh, goal number 2 was number 6.
Oh! Mikey!
No. If Mikey leaves and Will takes the same shot, it's a goal. Just leave him in and free to 13 seconds left. Just leave him sitting.
From here, your coach looks like Jay Barrett.
He's taller.
He's he's
Rob.
tall. Yeah.
Yeah, Rob's much taller than Jay.
But from here, he kind of looks like Jay.
Yeah, he does. And even up close, he kind of looks like Jay. But let's go, Black.
Everybody's taller than Jay. My
That's right.
5-year-old is taller than Jay. So Ryan has grown quite a bit. He's almost bigger than TJ.
I know. But TJ hasn't grown in a while. You need to get a rack for your.
He hasn't grown at all.
You need to get a rack for your downstairs or something. Sid Express!